Melinda Love here with Boom and Biggs TV, and today I am back with another episode of What's in the Box. So I received this box today, which was shipped to me by my dad from Connecticut, and I wanted to open it with you because I know one thing that's in here, but I don't know everything that's in this box. I've done a video like this before a while back where I opened a package in front of you guys, also from my dad, so this is going to be like the same exact thing but way different contents in the box. Alright guys, we're going to open this together. The one thing that I know is in here I'm actually really excited about. Oh cute, the box has a pretty flower on it. Alright, let's see. This is a cute box. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look you guys, this is a sea turtle. Aww, this is so cute. Oh, it opens up. You can put something inside. So this is more than likely the item that my dad told me he got me on his trip to Turks and Caicos. This is actually really special, you guys, because this is like a sea turtle breaking out of its shell, and that's kind of like what my father and I have gone through a little bit. I just love it so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what I knew was going to be in here, and this is so exciting. This is my dad's special hair regrowth formula. Yep, you heard that right.
Hair regrowth formula.
So there's a couple of bottles in here, and this oil my dad made himself. This is all vegan, and it's just a mixture of non-harmful oils. And obviously I'm not going to give away the secret recipe, but he currently uses it on dogs. Like when they have a bald spot, it completely regrows the hair. He's been using this for years on his own dogs and people he knows and his customers. He's been selling this actually, and recently we figured if it works on dogs, why wouldn't it work on humans, right? So we're currently in the process of testing this on humans. He's going to use it on himself. I'm going to use it on myself. I'm not bald, but I think that this is going to help me thicken my hair because I've always had pretty thin hair. And I'm also going to see if I can get some friends to try this. So you may see me show you this again in future videos after we test it out and get some before and after photos and videos of it being used on humans. Okay, so there's one more thing in this box, and let's see what it is. It feels like a book. Sweet! Becoming Supernatural by Joe Dispenza. Wow, I'm really gonna love this book. Well, what would it mean to become supernatural? What if you could tune into frequencies beyond our material world, change your brain chemistry to access I cannot say. Oh my god. I've seriously tried to film this clip like 6 times now. I cannot say the word transcendent. Levels of awareness. Create a new future and transform your very biology to enable profound healing. That sounds like a really exciting book to me. I've actually read several of Dr. Joe Dispenza's books. They're all amazing. Over 30 years ago, he actually healed his spine. He was hit by a car while he was riding a bicycle. He was told he may never walk again, even with surgery. He decided not to get the surgery, and he actually laid there for 6 months and healed his spine with his mind, one vertebrae at a time. I know it sounds unbelievable, but you'd have to read the books for yourself to know what I'm talking about. So I will link all of the books I read below and this one, so I'm sure this one's going to be just as amazing. So this box was so fun to open. I hope you guys had fun watching. I am really excited to read the book and try out the hair oil, and the turtle is just so cute and special. So my dad actually gets me a souvenir almost every time he goes on the trip, probably every single time he goes on a trip. I save all of them in my office. I have them all displayed. So they really do mean a lot to me. He always picks out something special. He always picks out something that I like, which is pretty cool. But he does know me very well, and he pays attention to those things that I do like. So, Dad, thank you so much. I love the gifts. I love you. You're the best. And everyone watching, you guys are second best. But I love you all too. Thank you so much for watching. I guess it's time for me to head back to work now. I actually opened this box on my lunch break. I did not want to wait one more minute, so I actually came home just to open the box. And I had to film it in order to catch it on video. So now I have to head back to work. But I'm in a super good mood. Not that I'm not in a good mood a lot, but I'm in a super, super good mood because I just feel so grateful.